Kyle. Now, we're going to start at the very beginning. We're going to work through each one of them so that they're there for us. Okay? Taylor, this number one, it says simplify. Simplify always means do the order of operations as much as you can until you're done. Okay? So what's the first thing that I want to do?
Multiply into 2.
Exactly. I can't do anything inside the parentheses. There aren't any exponents to deal with, so I'm going to deal with this too. Okay? Now, okay, there we go. Get that out of the way. Taylor, what do I get? 10?
Minus 2x.
And what do I do with this 7?
Turn it down.
All right. Now what do I've multiplied. Now what can I do?
Put the 10 and 7 together.
Put the 10 and 7 together. That's going to give us 17 minus 2x. But now what do I want to do, Taylor? Put them in the right order. So what am I going to get at the end?
Negative 2x.
Yes, ma'am?
Plus 17.
Negative 2x plus 17. Beautiful. Couldn't do it any better. Okay? Let's look at number 2 now. Number 2 says simplify. Again, we're just going through the order of operations. The first thing I'm going to look at, can I do anything inside the parentheses, Cecilia? No. Do I have any exponents I need to deal with? No. Do I have any multiplication I can do? Okay, let's do that. What do you see first?
2x.
All right, so you want to distribute this 2 in. You're going to get 2x. And then what?
10y.
Plus 10y. Now what, Cecilia?
Minus.
Okay. Now, but just before we get there, do you agree, Cecilia, that these two things are really just a minus 3? Okay. So now when we distribute that, we're going to get minus 21x. Is it going to be negative 3y?
Oh, no, positive.
Positive, because it's negative 3 times negative y gives us positive 3y. Nice. Okay. Now, Clay, pick it up from there. On this line, I've done all the multiplication I can. What should I look at next?
To see if there's any like terms.
Sure. What do you want to put together? Are there any?
Yes, there are.
Okay.
So circle 2x.
2x
And negative 21.
and negative 21x. When
And
we
you
put them
get
together?
19x. Negative 19x.
Negative 19x. Nice.
So you gotta put the x first.
It's x to the
X
first.
comes
It's going to be, right, it comes. Were you going through the alphabet in your mind?
Yes.
Okay, x does come before y. That's true. Now what?
10, so circle 10y.
10y
And 3y.
and 3y, and I get?
13y.
Beautiful.
And there's no other thing you can just leave box the answer.
I boxed the answer. They're not like terms, can't put them together. They are alphabetical. What's the degree of each of these terms? Just to review, what's the degree of this first one, Cecilia? To the first power, and how about this one, Bella?
1.
1. So since they tie, we put them in alphabetical order. Okay? All right. Nice job. Let's look at the next one. You good? All right. Number 3, simplify. Grace, start us off here. Remember, simplify just means do the order of operations with this stuff. Okay? Can I do anything inside the parentheses? Do I have any exponents? Any multiplication or division? Yes. Okay, so what do you want to do?
Distribute.
Let's distribute. What is negative 1/8 times 48m?
Negative 48 over 8.
Negative 48 over 8m.
Yep.
Beautiful.
What did you say?
Okay,
Negative?
up. Not your problem. All right. Now what are we going to get, Grace?
Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
Negative 16 over 8.
It's not going to be negative 16 over 8.
Oh, it's going to be positive.
It's going to be positive because I got negative times negative. So positive 16 over 8. And now what?
Then you distribute the negative 1/4.
Let's distribute this negative 1/4. And what do I get?
Negative 84 and over 4.
Negative 84m over 4. I can put the m in the numerator or stick it out to the side.
Yeah.
Either's fine. And then what?
Negative 8 over 4.
Negative 8 over 4. Perfect. Perfect. One thing at a time. One step at a time. Now we've multiplied everything. What can we do now? What can we do, Bella?
You can have it down.
I can reduce the fractions, right? What do I get here in this first term?
Negative 6
I get negative 6m. How about the second one?
plus 2.
Plus 2. And then the third one?
Minus 21m.
Minus 21m, right? That reduces.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay, let me pause there. We'll pick up in the next video.